Hi, welcome to this comprehensive guide on calibrating dissolved oxygen on the YSI ProQuatro. In this video, we'll explain why DO calibration is so important, how the different calibration options work, and when to use them. We'll walk through how to set up a water-saturated air calibration, how to complete a milligrams per litre calibration using a known standard, and how to run a zero-point calibration when required. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to keep your DO sensor performing at its best. The YSI ProQuatro supports both galvanic and polographic DO sensors. In the instrument setup, ensure the sensor type is correct and matches the installed sensor probe. Galvanic DO probes come with a grey body. Always confirm with the specific sensor label or model number on the probe itself. Field calibration kits from AirMet Scientific come with the galvanic DO sensors. Galvanic probes use a salt-based electrolyte. Using the wrong electrolyte will affect your sensor performance. Zero-point calibration sets the baseline for an oxygen-free environment. This is used when high accuracy is required at very low DO concentrations. A zero oxygen solution is made using a 2% sodium sulfite solution. The solution must be mixed with deionized water and left to sit for at least 60 minutes before use to fully scavenge the dissolved oxygen. From the calibration menu, highlight DO and then select DO 0. Insert the probe into the zero oxygen solution. Observe the reading for stability. This can take around 1 to 2 minutes. Ensure the membrane cap is fully immersed. Remove all bubbles. Even tiny air bubbles can affect calibration accuracy. If the reading does not stabilize, replace the membrane cap and reattempt calibration. When stability is achieved, accept the calibration. The instrument will confirm success and return to the calibration menu. A water-saturated air calibration is the most common and recommended method. It calibrates the sensor to 100% oxygen-saturated air, creating a 100% humid air environment. If needed, add a small amount of clean water to moisten the sponge inside the cup. Ensure there are no water droplets on the DO probe or the conductivity probe. Thread the calibration cup onto the probe bulkhead loosely, around 1 to 2 turns to allow pressure equalization with the atmosphere. Allow the sensor to sit in the humid air chamber for 5 to 15 minutes to equilibrate to 100% humidity and temperature. The membrane and the temperature sensor must not touch the sponge inside the calibration cup or the water line. The chamber must be humid to ensure stable DO diffusion. Allow the probe to stabilize. Because the DO sensor consumes oxygen, the cup must be vented after placing the probe inside. YSI recommends opening the vent after approximately 1.5 minutes to allow atmospheric equilibrium. To perform the calibration, press Cal, highlight DO, then press Enter for DO 100. Wait for stability and then highlight Accept Calibration. A confirmation message, Calibration Successful, will appear, and the instrument will return to the calibration menu. This also applies to the single-point DO percentage calibration. Thanks for watching our dissolved oxygen calibration guide for the YSI ProQuatro. We hope this walkthrough made the procedure clearer and easier to follow. Don't forget to check out our other videos in this series for more guidance, tips, and best practices. And as always, if you need any help at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.